If you've ever used Canva or you're thinking about learning it, you might be wondering, can you actually make money with Canva in 2026? The answer is yes, but probably not in the way most people think. Because honestly, Canva is just a tool. The real money comes from what you create with it. So in this video, I'll show you some beginner-friendly ways to use Canva to make money online in 2026 and how to get started, even if you have zero design experience. First, what is Canva? Canva is an online design platform that allows users to create things like social media, posts, YouTube thumbnails, business flyers, presentations, logo, and marketing materials. The reason it's so popular is because you don't need to be a professional designer to use it. Now, let's talk about the first way to make money selling design services, because many businesses need graphics every single week. For example, local businesses often need Instagram posts, Facebook ads, promotional banner, 7 flyers, and honestly, many of them don't care what software you use. They only care about the final result. So if you learn Canva, you can offer simple design services on freelance platforms. Now another popular option, YouTube thumbnails, because content creators constantly need attractive thumbnails. A good thumbnail can increase clicks and views. And honestly, many creators would rather pay someone than design them themselves. Even beginner designers can start by creating sample thumbnails for practice. Now, let's talk about digital products, because this is one of the most scalable options using Canva you can create. Planners, checklists, templates, journals, aka cross sheets, and other digital products. These can be sold on various online marketplaces. And honestly, many creators focus on digital products because they can be sold multiple times. Now another opportunity, social media management, because many small businesses struggle to post consistently. If you can create graphics with Canva, you can help businesses maintain their social media presence. This often includes creating, post-scheduling content, and designing promotional graphics. Now something very important. Don't spend months watching tutorials without creating anything. Because honestly, the fastest way to improve is by practicing. Create thumbnails, posters, social media, graphics, and sample projects. The more you design, the faster you'll improve. Now, let's talk about building a portfolio, because clients want to see examples of your work. Even if nobody has hired you yet, you can create practice projects and showcase them. And honestly, a small portfolio is often enough to land your first client. Now another tip, choose a niche, because it's easier to become known for one thing. For example, you could focus on YouTube thumbnails, restaurant, promotions, fitness graphics, real estate, posts, or another specific category. Now let's be honest for a second, Canva won't magically make you rich, but it can provide a simple way to start offering valuable services online. And honestly, many people earn their first online income using skills they learned with Canva. So to wrap this up, if you want to make money with Canva, in 2026, learn the platform, build a portfolio, create useful designs, offer services, and consider selling digital products. Because honestly, Canva is one of the easiest creative skills beginners can learn to start making money online.